Shandong Lianhuan Steel Reinforcement Processing Equipment Company Limited. A land for natural treasures and gifted talents. Jilin City is located in the south of Shandong Province, which is a famous hometown of Confucius and mansions and the capital of Grand Canal. The excellent tourist city of China, the charming and characteristic city, and also the central city with important planning and development in Shandong Province. Beijing-Shanghai Railway, Beijing-Fuzhou Railway, Beijing-Kowloon Railway, and Yanxi Railway go through the boundary lines. Yihe High Speed, Beijing-Fuzhou High Speed, and 327 National Highway assemble and form a network. Beijing-Hangzhou Grand Canal stretches across the north and south. Qufu International Airport is situated at this place. Shandong Lianhuan Steel Reinforcement Processing Equipment Company Limited is located in Economic Development Zone of Jiaxiang County, Jilin. According to the legend, the name of Jiaxiang is derived from the place with the meaning of Jiamei, Xiangri, because Duke Ai in spring and autumn period went westward for hunting and capturing a killer. Jiaxiang County is known as a birthplace of creative minds and gifted talents with a long history, which is the home village of Zhengzi as one of the four sages in ancient time, as well as the distinguished stone carving village in China. Rapid development, industrial leading. Shandong Lianhuan Steel Reinforcement Processing Equipment Company Limited, established in 2005, is a high-end new technology enterprise integrating the research, design, manufacture, and marketing of numerical control reinforcement processing equipment. The company introduces the advanced technologies and talent from Europe, combines the domestic market demands, researches, and produces the high, new, precise, and professional reinforcement processing equipment with meeting the domestic market demands, and gains a series of significant scientific and technological achievements. It successfully manufactures and develops the cage-making machines, which is designated as the Chinese famous brand product. Organizes to implement manufacture engineering method, the board pile cage making, which is designated as the National Level 1 engineering method. Applied for more than 50 patents and forms the center of Shandong with setting various equipment manufacturing bases, equipment marketing and service companies and reinforcement processing engineering companies in Jilin, Beijing, Nanjing, Nanchang, Xiamen, Guangzhou, Chengdu, Taiyuan, and Kunming. After 6-year development, the company has become the outstanding performer of the reinforcement processing industry in China. Reinforcement processing market, broad prospects. With rapid development of the social economy, the 12th Five-Year Plan proposes new realm, a new orientation for economic restructure. The bridge and road construction and the building operations accelerate constantly. Among various building operations, the reinforcement processing is an important link. The modern construction needs allocating high-level reinforcement processing equipment. The market of numerical control reinforcement processing equipment is a new field in China with long-term favorable development prospects. New reinforcement processing mode mainly adopts numerical control reinforcement processing equipment, with factory centralized processing and uniform distribution. Compared with the traditional processing mode, the reinforcement processing equipment manufactured by our company possess the characteristics of quick processing, low costs and expenses, stable product quality, environmental protection, and energy saving, which can reduce the processing loss and labor employment for the construction project, lower the engineering cost, shorten the construction period, control the material quality effectively, and eradicate the safety potentials completely, so as to ensure the cleanliness and civilization at construction site and lessen the noise pollution. It has extensive application projects in the building field. Technological strength builds the brand. As the founder and leader of China board pile cage making machine, Shandong Lianhuan Reinforcement Steel Processing Equipment Company Limited always insists on the enterprise spirit, pragmatic innovation, pursuit of excellence, and aims at promoting the factory production, standardization, and modernization of China's steel reinforcement processing. The Reinforcement Design and Research Institute under the company has approved by Shandong provincial government. Currently, it is the initial technical center which professionally researches and develops reinforcement processing equipment. The technical center has over 60 professionals of automatic control, machinery, hydraulic design, and mechanical and electrical integration. The ultra-strong investment to the science and technology research and development is the secret for the company frequently winning the leading position among the domestic opponents. After 6 years of constant innovation, reform, and progress, currently, the company has formed a 7 supporting series, including cage-making machine, double-head bender center, automatic bending machine, rebar cutting line, automatic stir-up bender, automatic straightening and shearing machine, and automatic reinforcement truss welding production line, and the large-scale reinforcement processing equipment manufacturing center of almost 50 different specification equipments. Information management, standardization management of enterprise. Shandong Lianhuan Steel Processing Equipment Company Limited constantly explores the management mode adapting to the enterprise mode and initially realizes using management software, including OA office automation, ERP, PDM, and CRM, concentration and dynamic integration management of cash flow, logistics and information flow, builds standardized and high-efficient management platform, and lays a foundation for the realization of enterprise management linking with the internationalization. The company stresses on erecting image brand. The newly built production workshop is located in an important position of the economic development zone and under construction an office building engineering phase 2 with large-scale and novel design. In order to enhance the living standard of staffs, the company also builds new staff dining hall, which is clean and healthful. The company also increases 2 luxurious buses to pick up and send the staff for going to work or off work. The image brand shapes the postural working passion of staffs and shows their smiling face like sunlight. People first, gathering talents. The company always insists on the operation principle talents lay in the foundation, striving for survival on the basis of quality, innovation for development, and winning the market with sincerity. Promotes the product innovation by talents, enhances the quality by innovations, explores the market by the quality, derives the enterprise development by the market, and gathers the talent by development. Thus it has formed the virtuous circle of enterprise development. The leaders of the company, they'll be busy with their work, still learn some new knowledge to enrich themselves. They carry out researches on developing the advanced technologies of the industry and the new concepts of enterprise management. Meanwhile, they work and learn together with the employees. Moreover, the company holds the idea of people first and considers safeguarding the rights and improving the happiness feeling of the employees as powerful means to attract the talents. Thus, the company has formed the harmonious phenomenon of enterprise cares about employees, and employees always think about the enterprise. Serving and escorting clients. The company has been adhering to the service concept of the demand of the clients is our pursuit of the time. Moreover, it has established different team objects and organized the personnel to tackle the key problems in science and technology as per the different demands of the clients when it focused the attention on grasping the quality of the products to meet the needs of the existing clients. Thus, new products are constantly developed in the company. The company holds the operational concept of manufacturing the first-class product with integrity and honesty. Client first to make contribution to the modernization of the engineering construction in China. Moreover, it has successfully provided the most advanced reinforcement processing equipment to the major projects as Jinhu High-Speed Rail, Hukun High-Speed Rail, Qingmianle High-Speed Rail, Lanyu Railway, Qingdao Haiwan Bridge, Railway line for passenger traffic of Wuguang High-Speed Rail, Zhejiang River High-Speed Way, and railway line for passenger traffic of Daxi Railway. The major service clients of the company are China Railway Construction 18th Bureau Group Company Limited, China Railway Construction 14th Bureau Group Company Limited, China Major Bridge Engineering Group Company Limited, China Railway Construction 10th Bureau Group Company Limited, and CCCC 2nd Highway Engineering Company Limited. Moreover, the company is now stepping into the Vietnam, India, and other Southeast market actively.
我们公司现在正在和投资公司年内在我们国家的创业板挂牌成功。我们的这个业务发展主要分两大块，一块呢是这个数控钢筋加工设备，就生产这些设备；另外一块呢就是说利用我们的设备进行这个钢筋的深度加工。这两大业务呢，我们计划5年内总产值达到50个亿。
Looking forward and carry out great plan of the company. Taking the advantages of the reform and openness, following the opportunity of the 12th five-year plan, and relying on the occasional favorable objective and subjective factors for success. Shandong Lianhuan Steel Reinforcement Processing Equipment Company Limited has promoted the industrialization, standardization, and automation of the reinforcement processing industry of China. Moreover, it takes the advantages of the favorable tie-up with the large-scale infrastructures under construction, speeds up the innovation, enhances the management, seizes the opportunities at market, and provides the most advanced and superior reinforcement processing equipment to the high-speed railway and high-speed road construction, water conservancy construction, and guarantee houses construction in China with innovative design concept and superior brand quality. Heading to the sea of full sail, braving the wind and the waves, Shandong Lianhuan Reinforcement Processing Equipment Company Limited will set sail by riding the wind and waves and strive for the navigator of the reinforcement processing industry under the stimulation of the 12th five-year plan.